Okay, guys. So probably the most important part of this is how it actually drives. So we're gonna be building the bottom of it first, which we'll be using these two. So here, do a little build montage. Okay, so I think I got the start of it done, but it's not really that good. So we're gonna save it in one of these slots. Which one should I take out? That's my flying device. Goodbye, brother. Boom. So the first part of it is done. Now look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow. It's so majestic. Thank you so much, Kelp Juice. So majestic. Ladies, calm down. Anyways, next part, the second part, we're gonna have to put fans onto it so it works. So we can okay, here. Look at that. There we go. There we go. Boom. So tongue, bro. I'm sorry. I'll never say that again. So this part is complete. This part is not, though. So let's get to that. This game so much. Oh, it's right here. Why's my friend calling me? Oh, guess what, friend? So it's not I'm making a video. Oh, let's see. And we're also gonna wear this again, so we could do some good stuff with this. Yeah, the person in the back's just not getting protected. Why would they get protected? How stupid of an idea. So now we're just gonna, let's see. Yeah, it doesn't really matter, it's fine. Not funny anymore. Okay. Guys, do my goop inventions like suck that bad, bro? Like, yo, who said yeah? Who said yeah, bro? Yo, I heard you, bro.
I got
What's up, guys? Please don't try to kill me, by the way. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that.
I wanted to kill
You want to come in the back of my car, bro?
Alright, at least kill him. I'll be killing him. That was for dog spot, bro.
Let's go. Yeah, there's a saddle. Yeah, we're gonna be going through this, and I built a war interceptor. It doesn't matter if you've got a bomb. We don't care. We can withstand this bomb. We can withstand the bomb.
Why is there a tank?
Don't worry about it. It can withstand your bomb, boy. Your bombs do nothing.
I see you have some nice.
Ow! La, 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 la. So as you can see, the only thing I'm really not very invincible to.
Bus driver, help!
I'm a war interceptor, but okay. Owie. That wasn't very nice. Could you like not try to kill me? I'll run you over, boy. Stop it, boy. Hello. La, 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 la.
The stuff becomes red and go in stages. I'm gonna blow the stages up.
It's not your shit, so. What the fuck?
We
guys, the magical school bus is here.
No, I'm a war interceptor. I'm not the magic school bus. Oh,
Like, doing bus things.
yo.
Yeah, I'm gonna rip the...
Proof that we are devolving, bro. Proof that we are devolving.
You're right. My customer's experience on my bus.
Hey, sir.
Look, the great responsibility comes with... Whoever made me small, guys.
Yo, bro, there's some the ruined car, bro.
Dash and run. Yo, there's a
It's
Oh my God. Ah!
I don't think there's any way to fight back. I think it's just over.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Just let me record a video! As you can see, I was having so much fun in there, right? I hated every second of it. I wanted to leave. 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 Anyways, then, welp. Yeah, and then people modded the server and spawned everything, and I was so happy about it. I just loved it. And then, I got my Dominator taken away from me. Yep. But I still have it saved, so it's fine. But, anyways, see you next video. Like and subscribe. Yay!